Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you're fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, then watch my video till the end. And friends, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new video. Guys, in this video I am going to show you wavy haircut with bob. Guys, this is very informative video for the girls with wavy hairs. Please watch it till the end so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye ideas. And if you want to get this haircut, take a screenshot of the haircut or hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this haircut or hair dye from any parlor. Guys, please watch my video till the end. And after watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends and family members so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get the amazing ideas of haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more videos. Guys, please watch and subscribe my channel. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos. And share them with your family members and friends. That's all in this video.